Comet born from the Oort cloud. At the edge of our solar system, far beyond Pluto, beyond the Kuiper belt there, exists a vast, frozen halo, the Oort cloud. It is a ghostly shell of ancient ice and dust, a trillion fragments orbiting the sun loosely, half a light year away. Here, in deep slumber, lies a comet. For eons, it drifts undisturbed, until a passing star nudges the cloud ever so slightly. Gravity shifts. A chain reaction begins. The tiny object, just a few kilometers wide, begins its long fall inward, a journey that will take millions of years. Its path curves slowly at first, then accelerates. The cold outer darkness gives way to faint sunlight, then ever brighter rays. As it crosses the orbit of Neptune, its surface begins to change. The sun's heat wakes the comet. Volatile ices, vaporized carbon dioxide, ammonia, methane are rushing out as jets, carrying dust with them. A coma forms a halo of gas and debris, and sunlight pushes the particles into a luminous tail that stretches millions of kilometers behind. The comet becomes a spectacle. Its nucleus, still tiny, now glows with reflected sunlight and chemical reactions. The dust tail curves with the comet's motion. The ion tail streaks straight away from the sun, shaped by the solar wind. Observers on Earth see a glowing streak in the night sky. To them, it's a moment of beauty. But it is more than that. It is ancient material, older than the Earth, older than the planets, preserved from the solar system's birth. As it sheds dust, that material rains down on Earth as shooting stars, seeding our sky with its memory. And then, just as suddenly, it passes perihelion and begins its return journey. The sun fades, the jets subside, the coma collapses, the comet becomes cold once more. It vanishes into the void, but it may return. In 0 years, sir, never again. A frozen messenger, a survivor of creation, a memory on a long arc through time.